K-Food Green Onion Kimchi Recipe. Introduction. Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of Korean side dishes with a flavorful recipe, pak kimchi, a type of Korean kimchi made with scallions green onions. This side dish is both tangy and crunchy, adding a burst of flavor to any meal. Join us as we guide you through each step of creating this iconic Korean favorite. Ingredients for pak kimchi: 2 bunches of scallions green onions, 14 cup Korean coarse sea salt, 2 tablespoons Korean red chili pepper flakes gochugaru, 1 tablespoon fish sauce mayochi ipot, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 12 teaspoon sugar, optional sliced radish or Korean pear for added crunch and sweetness. Instructions. Step 1. Prep the scallions. Let's start by preparing the scallions. Wash and trim the root ends of the scallions, leaving the green tops intact. Make sure they are clean and dry. Step 2. Salt the scallions. In a large mixing bowl, place the scallions and sprinkle 14 cup of Korean coarse sea salt over them. Gently toss the scallions to evenly coat them with the salt. Let the scallions sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step will help to draw out excess moisture from the scallions. Step 3. Rinse and drain. After the salting time, rinse the salted scallions under cold water to remove excess salt. Gently shake the scallions to remove excess water, and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Step 4. Make the seasoning paste. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Korean red chili pepper flakes, gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce mayochi ipot, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 12 teaspoons of sugar. Mix the ingredients well until they form a thick and well-combined paste. Step 5. Season the scallions. Spread the seasoning paste over the scallions, making sure to coat them thoroughly. Use your hands or tongs to ensure that each scallion is well covered. Step 6. Optional: add radish or pear for extra crunch and a touch of sweetness. You can add thinly sliced radish or Korean pear to the mixture. Mix them together with the scallions and seasoning paste. Step 7. Ferment the pak kimchi. Transfer the seasoned scallions into an airtight container or a glass jar. Press them down gently to compact them and release any air bubbles. Seal the container and let the pak kimchi ferment at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days. The fermentation time may vary depending on the temperature and your preference for the level of tanginess. Step 8. Store and enjoy. After the desired fermentation time, move the pak kimchi to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. Your pak kimchi is now ready to be enjoyed as a flavorful side dish or a topping for various Korean dishes. The tangy and crunchy flavors are sure to elevate your meal. Conclusion. And there you have it, a bowl of delicious pak kimchi, a Korean scallion kimchi that adds a burst of flavor to any table. This simple, yet flavorful side dish showcases the magic of Korean fermentation techniques. We hope you enjoy making and enjoying this iconic Korean favorite. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure.